Hey everyone, we've been working on a home gym. As you remember from a video a little while back. This place was an empty space and now we've turned it into something that's usable as a gym. Let me take you guys through a tour. So when we started this place was just an empty space. There was nothing in here at all. And now we've filled this place up with some stuff, and let me take you through and show you what we've got in here. So in this space here, we started over here. This was actually already in here to begin with. We had a board. I had to move the space of where it was. It was originally down a little bit lower, so we moved it up a little bit so we can use this as a board for writing down exercises and different things such as personal bests, motivational speeches maybe, or motivational quotes. And we came around. I decided to put in these Olympic rings for a little bit of exercise in mobility as well as stretching, and also another option to work on the pulls like chin-ups and rows. So to keep things nice and tidy, we decided to put in some bins and baskets to house the exercise equipment. Now over here I also put in coat rack hangers. It's just something simple, something that I found at HomeSense so that we can put in different things and hang things like ropes and bands. So whether you have your skipping ropes or over here, just right here, resistance bands, it gives them a nice home and a nice easy place to stow them away, or just grab them easily when you want to do your exercise. Over here in this corner we put in the Olympic platform that I was talking about last time. This was worn down. It's an old platform that used to be used in an old high school, and we got it. We decided to resurface it, paint it so that it looks fresh again. The rubber's still good, but overall it's still a very good platform. So we gave it a little bit of life again, and it's being used for Olympic lifting as well as dampen some of the sound, given that this home gym is built in a duplex. Thanks to our friends at Tidex for supplying us with some pretty cool equipment as well. In this home gym we've got a Tidex squat stand. It's a full-size squat stand, 90 inches tall, full of chin-up bar. As you can see, we're using it for other things as well. We've got a suspension trainer hanging onto it so that we can use it for things like your suspension trainer workouts or TRX workouts if you have a TRX brand one. Now, these squat stands are very well built. They're 11 gauge steel with 3 by 3 inch uprights. So very solid, very heavy. It doesn't really move around too much, so perfect for the home gym use with commercial grades durability. We also got some of their weight plates and bars as well. So with these weight plates right here, they're full bumper plates. So for a reason why we decided to go with a bumper plate is because we do a bit of Olympic lifting in here as well, so there's going to be a little bit of dropping in there, as well as the fact that we're in a duplex, so we want to try and minimize as much of the sound as possible. Now, if we were to have cast iron weight plates, yes, it might have been a little bit more cost effective, but you have to think about your surrounding as well, or the activities that you do. If you're doing Olympic lifting, you would not be able to drop the cast iron plates. It would be really annoying and very loud. Now, likewise with other exercises, if you aren't doing any Olympic lifting, just regular lifting here with cast iron plates are just fine, but they do tend to be a little bit noisier when you put them down. You get a little bit more clanging. So with rubber plates, a little bit less sound. This is a Tidex landmine unit that's made for their squat racks. This landmine unit actually wasn't made for the squat stand, but we made it fit, and we found a way to fit it, and it works just great. So officially, it isn't supposed to go there, but it is safe, it is effective, and it's good for that spot. So if you're looking for an option of reducing some of the weights that you need, such as dumbbells, something like a landmine is a good choice to give you the unilateral work. It also allows you to do some other things like core twists and other exercises as well. Gives you a little bit more versatility to your barbells and weight plates. We also added a plate holder. This plate rack over here just keeps everything stored in a nice neat location right beside the squat stand and the platform here, so that it's easy, neat, and a good place to easily take the weights that you need. It also has a space for 2 extra bars here. We have a junior bar for my younger clientele and a women's bar over here for ladies with smaller hands that might not appreciate the full-size 20-kilogram bar that is a little bit thicker in grip. Now, joining it right here, we have our stretching area, and this Tight-Axe bench is really great. It has right up to 1,000-pound capacity, so if you're doing a heavy bench press and you're a bigger guy, this will certainly carry your weight, and it's nice and safe. Now, this is actually our stretching area as well, so when I need this area to be clear, all we do is we move the bench out of the way and we can use it as a full empty space for dynamic stretching or stretching. And we even have all our foam rollers here and stretching devices here. Give a little bit of versatility for the exercises that we can do in this place. We also decided to put in a climbing rope. A climbing rope can be great for all levels of exercises. It can help someone work with the pulls, so we can work on slowly pulling up. We can regress it and progress it to a point where you can have your feet attached to the ground and just work on the vertical pulls going up as if you were climbing, but with a little bit of assistance with the legs. Or for some of the more advanced exercises that you might have seen in one of my other videos, I can just be in a sitting position, have my legs extended, and just climb up and down the rope just with the upper body. So that's a little bit more advanced. We also have here in this area some of the things that we have for exercises like the exercise ball. I've got this handy little speaker here. The speaker is great for outdoor use, but because we're also here in the home gym, we just have to hook up our iPod or any other thing in here, and it'll be able to play the music and keep this place a little bit more lively. For here, we also have a curtain here that we're hiding an electrical panel behind just to keep it a little bit less of an eyesore. Now, this is going to look a little bit better once we put some other things in here. Got a TV mount coming in. We had a spare TV lying around the house. So we're just going to mount a TV from the ceiling coming down in a vertical column. It'll just be right in the corner there, connected to a Google Chromecast, which will allow us to stream our music or stream some videos or exercise videos from YouTube or some of our own original Tight-Axe content as well. So it gives us a little bit more option when it comes to entertainment and making gym life a little bit more lively and more usable. This part right here is probably my family's favorite corner. This is the boxing corner where we decided to put in boxing equipment, everything from a 150-pound solid punching bag here to some of the handheld equipment like a kick shield and focus mitts and pads here. The exercise equipment here in this area is meant to replace some of the cardio equipment that you'd normally see. The things such as your elliptical or treadmill, which might be bulky, take up a lot of space, and cost a lot of money. The main thing that we didn't have a lot of was space, so we decided to go with this option. And it also gives us a little bit different kind of exercise, something that's fun for the family. See, this place is still a work in progress. Like any gym, it's never complete. We're always going to be working on the gym. We're always going to be adding equipment, taking out equipment, or putting in other things to make it more lively, like adding in decorations. Now, as you can see, we do have some decorations in here, not a whole lot yet, but there's something just to give this place a little bit of pop and a little bit of life. Some artwork or some decorations will always help your gym pop out a little bit. Now, for what we've done, we decided to put in a few pieces, but there's still more to come. And we decided to put in a little bit of mirrors in here so that we can see ourselves, make sure that we can perform our exercises in good technique and good form. We also decided to put in some old posters I had of Bruce Lee. We thought it would fit perfectly with a combat corner. We have a curtain over there that's going to be hiding the electrical panel. Now, once we get some other things like the TV mount and TV in here, it'll look a little bit more lively. This place will have a little more pop. We'll be able to stream our workout videos and music and make this place a gym, someplace that you want to work out. Thanks for following along and watching this video. We're going to have some more updates as we get more stuff in here, and this place is going to look cooler and cooler. Now, we do offer the service as well, so if you want us to come help you build your own home gym, we can certainly do that for you. All you have to do is just check out our website, tightassets.ca. That's www.tightassets.ca, and you can book one of us to come and talk to you about what your needs are and what you want in your own home gym. So we can certainly help you build that out. We'll help you get all the equipment. We'll build the equipment for you. So check us out, give us a call, and we'll come right to you, get it all done for you. Like us, follow us, and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.